and what can we expect Game 7 Friday?
We told the players before the game that this is our first do-or-die game with Ronde. Our first ever experience playing a win-or-go-home game with Ronde Hollis Jefferson. So I said, what a great opportunity for us to learn about ourselves. So like I said, let's just grab this opportunity. Go out there, play hard. We just wrote in the board, compete. If we lose, we lose. But at least we're not going to go down without a fight. And credit to the guys, they just gave it their all. Cramps na si Ray, cramps na si Calvin, Ronde. I was really worried about that dive in the first half where he crashed into the wooden cube there. But I think that's our definition of compete. So our players, they went out and they competed. I mean, how can you? That's number one. And number two, we finally scored 80 points again in the series. So I think those were the two keys.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Ray, talking about inspiration, gaano kalaking inspirasyon si Jayson Castro? We know he's still recovering from injury, pero pumunta siya sa ensayo kahapon. He even went to the game earlier today. And how that impacted the guards like you, kasi kinausapan niya kayo in person, you, Calvin, RR, just that inspiration.
Yung pagpunta pa lang ni Kuya Jayson kahapon sa practice namin, sobrang dagdag ng extra motivation sa amin yun. Kasi even though wala siya doon sa mga past few games namin, pero yung presence niya na nararamdaman namin And especially yung kahapon nga sa practice, meron siya mga piece of advice sa amin, especially mga veterans. So which is, yun yung in-apply namin ngayon sa game na to.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Congratulations. Alam natin na the past 3 days, maraming usapan na also rin po. Una, kung sa yung players ko, how did you address the situations and ano masabi sa ating po yung lives?
We didn't. We felt no need to address it. Number one, I wasn't aware kung ano man yung usap-usapan because I don't read those things. I just stayed focused on the task at hand, and kung ano man yung usap-usapan sa labas, that has very little value to us. So hindi ko alam whatever that is, so I'm sorry I cannot respond to that. But your question, if kung nag-ayos kami, you can ask Ray. Wala. We had a regular team meeting yesterday, and we didn't even need to address it because that's the level of trust in our team. That's our depth. And if we get on each other's nerve and magsigawan kami, magkakapatid nga, magkakapamilya nga, nagsisigawan at nag-aaway, di ba? But that doesn't mean that they're going to break up as a family, right?
Yep. So
that's such a maybe, I won't say normal, but like I said, we did not even have to talk about it or address it. We just told Poy to focus on shutting off the noise. Yun ang importante sa kanya. And wala ka namang sasabi. I told him, of all of our players in this series, he was the one with the highest plus minus. In the effort charts, pinakamataas si Poy. So, but we need him on the floor. So I said, just focus, shut off the noise, and because his presence is very important. And, luckily, he did just that tonight.
I did that a one-day break yesterday.
No, ano ba ngayon? Monday.
Is that the key to ease the tension or what?
So that's a regular thing that we do naman. Even in the last finals, when after 4 games, it was also on a Sunday, nag-2-all. We also took Monday off. Because I believe in that, in sometimes you need to take a step back and recover, not only in basketball or sports, even in life. If we are faced with a lot of problems, instead of trying to bang your head against the problem, against the wall, I think it's a good idea to sometimes just step back and let things let the guys get their minds off basketball for a bit. Because I said, I thought the pressure was getting to us. And I said, but kayo na pressure, nobody expected us to compete against this team. We were not even expected to get to the finals when we lost Jason in game 4 or 5 of the Rain or Shine series. And then who would have thought that we would battle a team like that without last year's finals MVP? So I said, don't let the pressure get to you. So the best way I could show that to them was to give them the day off. They take the day off, relax, recover, recharge, and then we came in to get rest yesterday, and we just talked about things. Talked about what we needed to do for tonight.
What's the rationale is they know to always foul every possession?
This is the number 1 4-point shooting team in the league, I think. So, ang daming titira ng 4 points dyan. Justin, Holt, Stephen, Oronje. So, we didn't want to give them that opportunity anymore. So, we just played the percentages with the foul game.
Bulikat lang to, kasama sa intense ng game. Kasi, yun nga, ngayon pa lang ako ulit nakapag-finals after how many years sa career ko sa PBA. So, iba yung crowd, iba yung intensity sa game. So, siguro naninibago yung katawan ko. But, okay naman, manageable naman yung crabs ko. Kaya naman makapag-practice bukas.
Coach, what about 2 point? He had 3 early fouls. Nangyari ko, masabi sa fouls. Masabi mo na, just find yung mga players na
well, that was part of our pre-game talk. I said, just be aggressive, play hard. If you're fouled, if you're called for a foul, then foul. And we'll just manage it the rest of the way. So, when he got picked up those 3 early fouls, I thought Kelly did a great job off the bench. And even when we had to rest Kelly, Glenn came, and I think Glenn played a really good game tonight. So we were not surprised. We were not bothered by it because our objective was to get into Ginebra's to disrupt Ginebra's offensive flow with some tough defense. And when you do that, you're more prone to giving up fouls. But, like I said, we were able to manage it, and we were able to keep him on the court, especially in the end game.
Jason was in Canada pa na ngayon sa natin, or how did that happen?
Talaga naman gusto niya pumunta, pero talagang nahihirapan siya eh. Until yesterday, naka-crutches na siya, may walker pa. So, hirap. And then, yung meeting room pa namin, nasa 2nd floor. So, 15 minutes na kami doon. Wala pa si Jason kasi ang bagal talaga ng lakad. But, Coach Josh spoke to him the day before because Jason is always giving us a lot of his insights. So, nag-usap sila. And then, sinabi nga niya that he thinks that he's fit enough to walk. Kasi hindi lang naman yung walk yung kotse hanggang sa aakyat pa, bababa pa. So na kaya niya kahapon, so dumating na siya today.
In the first half, you guys were playing match up, and only the second half with the balance. And then the fourth quarter, we were playing over. I think 7-2 right now. What did you think of your voice between the second and third period?
I think we were down by 4 points at halftime. And I said that was just Scotty's last second 3-point shot, and then yung ball screen kay Mav naipit si Ray, another 3-point shot. So those were 6 points. Kung hindi nangyari yun, then we wouldn't have been down by 4. So I said, relax lang. Stick to the game plan, be disciplined in our execution. And I said, we can, as long as we don't get rattled and focus on what we need to do, yun ang pinag-usapan namin at halftime, that we had 24 minutes. It's a lot of time. to be able to come back. So I think that was the story.
And that concludes our post-game press